This rare 5-bedroom home in Happy Valley with incredible valley and sunset views offers the perfect blend of elegance, style, comfort, and convenience. Set in the sought-after Sunnyside Highlands neighborhood, you'll enjoy easy access to parks, trails, shopping, and dining from this peaceful cul-de-sac location. Head inside and discover nearly 4,600 square feet of beautifully finished living space across 3 levels. The modern kitchen is ready for entertaining with a spacious island, quartz countertops, and stainless steel appliances. The main-level living room offers an inviting spot to gather, while the dining area is ready for family dinners or celebrations. The private main-level primary suite is a quiet retreat with its own fireplace, gorgeous views, and a luxurious ensuite bath. Upstairs and downstairs, you'll find generous bedrooms and flexible spaces, offering versatile options for family, friends, creative pursuits, or working from home. The lower level includes a large bonus room, a 5th bedroom, full bath, and don't miss the secret room with a climbing wall behind the bookshelf. Outside, the landscaped yard invites you to relax and take in panoramic valley views with sunsets that feel like a private showing every night. Stylish, spacious, and located in one of Happy Valley's most desirable neighborhoods, you'll find it here on Hilltop Court, and it's ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.